Question 1. The specific heat of water benefits in sustaining life. High, low, medium, none. Right answer, high. Question 2. The specific heat of glass is 501-72, 500, 501, 502. Right answer, 501-72. Question 3. In summer, the railways bend due to expansion, contraction, both, none. Right answer, expansion. Question 4. Ice at dash degree centigrade is more effective in cooling. 0, -1, -2, -3. Right answer, 0. Question 5. Dark sweat through tongue, legs, skin, glands. Right answer, tongue. Question 6. NTS was found reacting with ozone. 920s, 1970s, 1950s, 1960s, 1970s. Right answer. Question 7. Process by which liquids change into vapors is vaporization, evaporation, boiling, none of above. Right answer, evaporation. Question 8. Those objects that conduct electricity are conductor, insulator, semiconductor, none of these. Right answer, conductor. Question 9. All are conductors except copper, wire, steel, wood. Right answer, wood. Question 10. Dash is bad conductor of heat. Copper, water, wire, nail. Right answer, water. Question 11. Those objects which do not conduct electricity are called insulator, semiconductor, nail, conductor. Right answer, insulator. Question 12. Dash causes coastal breeze. Conduction, convection, radiation, nail. Right answer, convection. Question 13. Circular ripples on surface of water due to motion. Rest, translatory, wave, none of these. Right answer, wave. Question 14. All are examples of visible wave motion except waves in roof, ripples in water, radio waves, nil. Right answer, radio waves. Question 15. To improve motion is called dash motion. Translatory, vibratory, oscillatory, nil. Right answer, oscillatory.